Hi, I am Anna. I'm an architect and I am part of the WeCollabify team. Today I will be preparing 3 recipes with local Colombian coffee. For this first recipe, we will use this coffee ground by Maria Jose in the mountains of Concordia, Antioquia. We use 9 grams of coffee to brew a single espresso and about 120 milliliters of milk. Then we steam it until it's smooth, and finally we throw a tiny ghost with the foam. Its sweet chocolate and praline notes blend perfectly with the milk, creating balance and warmth just like the mountains where it grows. We continue with our second recipe, an affogato made with coffee ground by Omar Jose from Anzoátegui, Tolima. This coffee has gentle notes of lemongrass and flowers. So, we use 9 grams for a single espresso poured slowly over creamy vanilla ice cream. And we finish it with a spooky Halloween touch. By the way, affogato means drowned in Italian because the ice cream is drowned in hot espresso. A little magic melting right before your eyes. Don't you think? For our last recipe, a pumpkin spice latte. We will use La Heredera coffee ground by Arnulfo Hoyos in Guadalupe, Antioquia. This coffee has notes of lime, chocolate, and lemongrass. So, we start by mixing 1 tablespoon of pumpkin syrup, a touch of cinnamon, ground ginger, and a hint of vanilla extract. Then, we brew a single espresso and put it over the mix. Next, we steam our milk until it's creamy and smooth. For the final touch, we draw a chocolate spider web and add a few cloves on top. The mix of coffee and fall spices is simply delicious. Because in every cup there's more than coffee. There's a story worth savoring. Cheers!